Okay, just grabbed another $200 pallet from that FBA guy. Bunch up there, and then all this crap. All right, let's do this. I'll do my best to scan as much of this stuff as I can, probably after, and then insert it in. Okay, great start. We got a massive box for an LED neon sign. We've got little dance tights. Wow, a lot of them. Handle. Bunch of handles. Waist belt. No clue. But there's a few of them. Hooked up. Looks like some kind of ratchet strap set. But 5 of them. False tail. Okay. Appears to be some other stuff in here too. Man, that's a lot of false tails, right? Carburetor. A lot of carburetors. Silicone mask. What even is this? For child? For bottling? A lot of those. Door stop alarm. 3-pack. Bunch of them. This big box feels like it's got nothing in it. What the heck? Pillow. Filter. I don't know, maybe for fish tank. Right, I'm gonna be scanning all this later anyway. A lot of those. Okay, what do we got? Party decoration. And last box on this dolly, bunch more carburetors. Underneath those carburetors, there's a few packs of the filter, it's called. We have dust cover. For what? I don't know. 3 of them. Waist belt. Four of them. The sock. I guess kind of weak translation, but a bunch of socks. 2 sacks of them. the bottle. Bottles. 2-pack of them. Dollar store item that probably loose leaf binder. Probably costs like 15 bucks on Amazon. Make sure this is recording. Yep. Glasses cloth. Looks gigantic, or like there's multiple of them. 4 packs. Filter, so I guess it's more of those fish tank filters, I'm assuming. And nothing in that. But I'm guessing these are glasses. Yep. So, Sungate, I don't know, hopefully these are just regular sunglasses. Appears to be a bunch of them. Oh wait, this one's heavy. I can't read that. Don't F up the table. Nice. Okay, so 5-pack wooden coasters. Okay. That are actually pretty funny. And there's a lot of them. Cool. What do we got? Toys. Bunch of different dice. Lots of those. Okay, this is what I was worried about. These types of boxes can take long to go through. Pet bowls. Oh, that's kind of cool. Green stickers. There was a bunch of yellow in yesterday's pallet. Red, green. Pet bowl, 2 red, green, bag of yellow. Yellow would be perfect if I was doing a sale and use them to price things. 4 of them, 3 of them. Sticker. Weird mirror stickers. I don't know, some kind of random connector thing. 3 of them. More mirrors. At least the bags are cut open. A pack of sunglasses that is questionable. 3 dogs' clothes. More glasses that are squished. 2 of them. Connectors. And this looks like 3 more connectors. Hip resistance bands. So like exercise stuff. Not too shabby. Last box on this dolly load. I don't know what these are. It says parts. I'm sure it scans. A lot of them. Okay, I'm gonna grab round 3. Okay, round 3, and there's still like half a dolly in the van. Sweet. What are these? Flea trap. Lots of those. And what appears to be door handle cover. What does that mean? A few door handle covers. And then whatever's in here. Glasses. Oh. What the heck? Personal protection. Sticker. Weird stickers. A lot of them. Connector. More of those hook strap things. 2 packs. Connector. Connectors. And one more sticker thing. And one of the last pallets I got, they had a lot of these, except for it had a pot leaf on it, and it was for like dispensary labeling. Those look similar, but not for pot. Connectors. More LED signs, door alarm pack, more bottles. Maybe those are cooler than I think, but I doubt it. We'll see in the scan. Apex tone, looks like hydraulic things for like a door or something. Basket liner. And level. I don't know, that looks like it's probably worth something. It takes up practically no space in a mystery box, but people like that crap. Those 3 types of things is all this box has. Awesome. More useless connectors. Lots more dance outfits. Yo. More of these cheap dollar store things. More glasses, cloths. And more glasses, cloths. 4 more packs of party decorations. And another big box of this weird things. I don't know what they are yet. That's the end of this dolly. You'll get the last couple of boxes. Okay, 4 more boxes to go. 2 packs glasses cleaner. Ink bottle. And these are necklace, it says. Looks more like a dog leash. Bunch of them. Bunch more of those interesting looking dog bowls. Alright, last box. We have a lot of, I don't know, like Brainiac stuff, but it's super grainy, like what a cheap image. But anyways, that's what we got for 200 bucks. What do you think? For me, I think it's great because it doesn't matter whether it's a gold rope chain or a pencil. I get the same money for it in a mystery box, and this is all just filler. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I did take care of all of those boxes after the first dolly load, but then I didn't squish them down after that. So a little bit of cleaning up to do. It's about 10 to 12. I open at 12 today, and then I'll be off just slinging mystery boxes and slinging tile. So stay tuned. Buddy that I got this from said he's got 2 more pallets next week. And so I'll try and whip up a couple more of these videos. I'm just worried it's going to take me like 2 or 3 hours to edit this thing if I actually scan all the things that were there, which is what I want to do. I don't know. I guess we'll see. Just cross your fingers I can get more of these giant bins. Basically, these are when you sell on Amazon and you have like one of those Chinese businesses that sells a lot of like the Temu junk. You can either get Amazon to dispose of it for you, which is what these high piece count bins are. It's basically junk that they've charged the seller to throw away for them. And otherwise, you can have it sent back to you, which is what this guy does, and then he sells it to me. So anyways, blah, blah, blah. See you in the next one. Peace.